Once upon a time, near a peaceful lake surrounded by tall trees and colorful flowers, there lived a little turtle named Tina. Tina was kind, cheerful, and loved exploring the world around her. Every morning, she watched the rabbits hop quickly across the meadow. She watched the deer race through the forest. She watched the squirrels climb trees in just a few seconds. Everyone seemed so fast. But Tina was different. She moved very slowly. Sometimes she wished she could run like the rabbits or leap like the deer. One sunny morning, Tina noticed a tall hill on the other side of the meadow. At the very top stood a beautiful old oak tree. The hill looked high and far away. "I want to reach that tree," Tina said. The rabbits laughed. "You?" one rabbit asked. "That will take forever." The deer smiled politely. "It's a very long climb." Even Tina felt unsure. But deep inside, she wanted to try. The next morning, she began her journey. Step by step, she slowly moved toward the hill. The sun shone brightly overhead. Birds sang cheerful songs in the trees. At first, everything felt easy. But as the hill became steeper, Tina started to feel tired. Her legs ached. Her shell felt heavy. She looked up at the top of the hill. It still seemed very far away. For a moment, she thought about turning back. But then she remembered why she had started. "I can do this," she whispered. So she kept going. One step. Then another. And another. A little later, dark clouds began to gather. Soon, a cool wind blew across the meadow. Tiny raindrops started to fall. Many animals hurried home. The rabbits ran to their burrows. The squirrels climbed into their trees. But Tina was still on the hill. The rain made the ground slippery. Several times she nearly lost her balance. Several times she wanted to stop. But each time, she took another step. Slowly, carefully, patiently. After a while, the rain stopped. The clouds drifted away. A beautiful rainbow appeared in the sky. Tina smiled. She had made it farther than she thought possible. As evening approached, she finally reached the last part of the climb. The old oak tree was now right in front of her. With all her remaining strength, Tina took a few more steps, and then she reached the top. Tina looked around in amazement. The view was incredible. She could see the sparkling lake, the green meadow, the forest, the winding little paths below. Everything looked beautiful from up there. As the sun began to set, the sky filled with shades of orange, pink, and gold. It was the most beautiful sunset Tina had ever seen. Soon, some of the other animals arrived at the hill. They were surprised to see her standing proudly beneath the oak tree. "You made it," said a rabbit. "We didn't think you could." Tina smiled warmly. "I didn't get here because I was the fastest," she said. "I got here because I never stopped moving." The animals nodded. They finally understood. Being successful isn't always about speed. Sometimes it's about patience. Sometimes it's about courage. And sometimes it's simply about refusing to give up. As the stars began to appear in the evening sky, Tina sat beneath the old oak tree and felt proud of herself. She had learned an important lesson that day. No matter how difficult a journey may seem, if you keep going, one step at a time, you can reach your goal. And from that day on, whenever Tina faced a challenge, she remembered the hill, the rainbow, and the beautiful sunset waiting at the top. The end.